Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're going to be looking at the tool deals, some clearance deals that we got. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers and platform by subscribing and likes, so help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We got a 129 for the Freak, and then we got the drill for 129. So keep an eye out. There's a lot of clearance on Bosch. So we got the sockets here that we did see last time, $49.98. So this is a 10 piece. Pretty nice set, and this is the way this store looks like on the inside. Alright, they are very stocked up on the Flex. Seems like they might have a sale coming up, who knows. But this is a feeling that I think that they're gonna have a big sale going on with these Flexes. Because they're having a lot of stock. At least on this store, they're having a lot of stock. Then you got the Circ Saw there for $2.99, and it does come with the 8 amp hour battery, so that's a pretty good deal for that, for the battery. You got the Bosch Freak impact driver or drill driver, and you get a free 2 amp hour battery. So that's a pretty good deal there, and that offer runs to the 27th, 10/27. Alright, you got the Freak right there. I was looking for this one actually, and I could not find it. I know the Bosch, the way they run their model numbers is just so weird. I guess there's like 3 or 4 different 18Cs or 18A or whatnot. So they got a whole bunch of the same number but just a different letter. So that's the way they run their model numbers. You got this Cobalt 8 amp impact wrench with sockets, pretty nice. Then you got the buy more save more with DeWalt. So lots of great deals here. If you guys I believe if you guys spend the $400, you guys could get the $150 off. So that's a really good deal. There's a lot of tools you guys could add up, and pretty much some of you said that these are hackable. Like if you can, keep some of the tools and return the others. I don't know, I haven't tried it myself. Leave it down in the comment section if that's possible. But yeah, some of these are really good deals, especially when you guys go to that $150 mark. Alright, you got the new this is one of the newer kits here. It does come with the 8 amp hour battery. That's a hammer drill, and then you got the angle grinder there, the angle grinder power detect. So those power detects are Lowe's exclusive tools. It's pretty much like the Flex Volts, but power detect is what they have here, and they do run those big batteries, those big 21700 cells batteries, upgraded batteries. You got a drill driver there for $179. Got an impact driver for $148. Got a made in the USA impact driver, $179. Then you got some deals here on the Metabo 18 bolts. You got the triple hammer for $149 with 2 batteries, a charger. Was $169. And then you got the drill driver kit, the regular drill driver for $129. So these are 18 bolt tools. That's the triple hammer there, I believe. And then you got the drill driver there if you guys want to get like a different picture. And they are running this deal. If you buy more, save more. So you buy the 18 volt power tools and starter kits, you can save. If you buy $400 or more, you save up to $150. You buy up to 400, from 200 to 400. You can save up to $50. If you buy 100 to 200, and so forth. This is the 36 volts, the Metabo. This thing's a beast, guys. This thing's huge. Hopefully I did if you guys didn't know, there was a promotion going on with Acme Tool. I made a video about it a couple of days back. And you're getting that reciprocating stuff for free if you buy a kit. So, and guys, these are the new upgraded batteries. This is a 6 amp hour and the new 8 amp hour batteries. These are 21700 cells. $199 for that and $249 for the 2-pack. Yeah, these are the newer ones. Definitely worth buying if you're buying a tool, because if you buy them by yourself, obviously they're it's better if you buy a tool. It turns out to be like, pretty much getting the tool for for a little bit. And then you got this one. This was an 8 amp hour battery. I should have just bought this one because I got the SDS hammer. I should have just bought this one for $99. Then you got this on clearance. This is a hammer drill bare tool from Cobalt, if you guys find it at your stores. And then you got this is a router for 99 bucks. And then this is a really good deal, guys. A 1/4 inch drywall screw gun for $24. Was 69, so definitely check it. This one's, like I said, this is one of the better deals here. Rotary Hammer, 59 bucks. Same as the ones that I show you guys, but I just want to show you guys the pictures so you guys will look at it. You got 4 tool combo kit for $199, and then you got a 2 tool combo kit for $249. Cobalt XTR. Those are great tools. It was $299. It's actually a 3 tool combo kit. My bad. It's a pretty good deal. $149 for the impact driver drill driver. And then you got this big kit here, Cobalt XTR. It's $349 in some stores. I have no idea if they're going to lower it down. I'm waiting for them to lower it down so I can get my hands into those tools. $99 for the one-handed reciprocating saw from Bosch. And they are running the buy one, get one free. These are solid tools, guys. From what I'm looking at them, they're really nice, very specialized solid tools. You got the planer here, brushless planer. You got the oscillating tool with the star lock. If you guys don't know what a star lock is, it's their own system, their own star locking system. You got the palm router there, and then you got the barrel jigsaw. So, and that's the kit you guys get for free. So you guys get a 2 amp hour battery and a charger. It's a pretty nice kit, guys, to start. Buy this Elect Bosch tool bare tool and get a 12 volt 2 amp hour battery starter kit for free, valid until 10/10. So you guys got another month basically to get this deal, and jump on it. If you're gonna get it, jump on it, guys. The stock on some of these stores is just way low, and they're not gonna get stock with all this Christmas stuff rolling in and all that. It's gonna be really hard to get stock. You got the buy one get one free from DeWalt. You buy this 2 tool combo kit with DeWalt Extreme 12 volts subcompact brushless combo kit, and you get a bare tool for free. It runs until 11/3/21. So that's the tool combo kit that you have to buy, the $199 deal there, Extreme. And you get any of those, not these, but you get other. We'll go over it in a little bit more detail right now. So $249 for that, and $249 for this too. These are brushless tools, made in the USA. These are XR. Remember, guys, XR is top of the line DeWalt. And then this one's $219. I believe the other one, there's got to be a difference on these batteries. I can't remember exactly what the differences on those are. This is a really good deal. $29.98, guys. These are impact rated sockets. 13-piece, half-an-inch drive, 6-point. Those are the perfect sockets for your impact wrenches. They do come in SAE and metric. Got a 50-piece drill drive set, $19.98. Was $24.98. You guys see there, you got some star bits, some Robertsons, some Phillips, some flats. You got some nut drivers there. You got some socket adapters, magnetic sleeve, and then you got some drill bits and some more Robertsons there. And guys, $80. You guys did see my video. Make sure you guys check it out from last week. We had a whole stack of these $80 saws, guys. This store did not have any, but the other store that I went to, if you guys wanted that location, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. It is in Phoenix, Arizona, so if only for locally, people that are locally, I can let you know what store is that. Alright, got the Skill, $24.98, was $29.98. It's 120 piece. You got some 2-inch bits there, Phillips. Looks like some number 2s and some bigger ones. You got some star bits there. Some flats. You got some 3 or 4-inch, looks like 4-inch bits there. Then you got some drill bits there at the bottom. I know it's really hard to look at because of the glare. You got a lot of bits here, a lot of star bits. You got the impact driver. Guys, these are solid tools. I had these tools. I put them against other tools. They're solid, very comfortable to use. Definitely recommend the Skill. And you know, I've been using them for quite a while, so I can recommend that for you guys. You get a belt sander. Alright, this one was on sale. I believe it's on sale at Home Depot. I believe it's on sale here too for like $4.99. So correct me if I'm wrong down below. You got $3.99. This one's on sale too. This one's the one step down from the 880. Or 780, my bad. This one's a 779. This is a 12 inch. Then they got this one. Actually, they got the buy more save more. If you guys didn't know or didn't comprehend from before, but yeah, this is there. All the saws are in this deal. So if you buy a saw that's 18 bolts, just remember, guys, you guys are gonna get that discount. I believe this was not. I don't know why they put this sign up there. You might be able to get it if it's there. You might want to ask at the cashier if they can honor you that deal. And they got this DeWalt. It's a single bevel, so just keep that in mind. It's not a dual bevel. It's not a slider. It's just a single bevel. It's still pretty good because it's a DeWalt. You know what it is. You got a 9-inch bench saw, bandsaw, bench bandsaw. It's a 2.5 amp. And you guys know Porter Cable makes some solid equipment, especially on these standing equipment here. You got a Porter Cable 4x8 disc sander, 223 was 279. For people that have their own shop in their garage, their own woodworking shop, these are the tools for you. You got this one there. It's the same one. And then you got this grinder for 95. This is 6-inch grinder. And then you got the 8-inch, so a little bigger one, 135 was 169. And you got this drill doctor. So I guess you can sharpen your drill bits. 89.98. I don't know if they'll, how long they will last, but I guess it works if they're selling it. Craftsman, 216 piece, 119 was 199, and it is compatible with the Versa stack. You got 215 piece with the metal box for 99 bucks. A 3 drawer. They got 105 piece Craftsman, 79.98 was 112. 39.98 for the 61 piece. You got a vacuum there, 84.98, and then you got a 4-gallon tool back there. These are the tools, guys. This is the promo that they're running. This is a 2-tool combo kit that promo, basically, with all the free tools. So these are all the free tools you guys can get with that 2-tool combo kit, $199. You can get the speaker, or you can get the task light. And remember, guys, the speaker and the light are multi-volts, so they are compatible with the 20 volts with your 20-volt batteries, and they're compatible with their 12-volt batteries. So just keep that in mind whenever you're going to get a free tool. Then you can get this one too. This one has the reciprocating saw or the impact wrench. And that's the 2-tool combo kit that you have to buy there for $199, so you guys can get your free tool. That's a circ saw. I heard that this one's a beast. So it's a little beast there because it's small, but still a beast. 4906. That's the impact wrench that we saw for $34 at this store. So you got the Craftsman 41-inch 6-drawer chest, $289 was $349. This is a 41-inch 6-drawer, 10 with the 10-drawer rolling cabinet. And then the bottom piece, $389, guys, from $469. Guys, you guys got to jump on these deals. If you guys got the room for a toolbox, these are really nice toolboxes. I wish I had the room in my garage. I will be jumping on some of these in no time. $339 for the top, $439 for the bottom. Total package $778. That's a really good deal for a 52. 52-inch 8-drawer, 10-drawer rolling tool cabinet. And it does have some power strips and some deep drawers for the bigger power tools. So I would definitely be jumping on these if I had the room. And this is a smaller one. This is a 41 inch. Still a really nice box. Definitely check it out. Look at the price. $289 was down from $329. And then $389 down from $469. So it's basically the same price as the 52 almost. Well, it is the same price. Make sure you guys, definitely jump on this, especially at 52 inch. It's a killer deal. This one's a red version of that 52 inch. So you guys see there. So 52 inch 8 drawer and 10 drawer rolling tool cabinet at the bottom. So $439 was $529. Total deal $778. And the top chest is $339. Then they got these on clearance. They got the torque wrench here. $89.37 was $149. Yep, and this was $149. So definitely jump on if you guys need it, especially for your tire rotations and if you do your own DIY stuff. You got the combination wrenches, $26. Now you got the pressure washer here for $99, 1700 psi, Craftsman. Then they got this one for $169. This is 2100 psi, 1.2 gallons per minute. And they got the gas here for $329. And actually, this one's a pretty good deal. This is a Power Core 40, $279 was $299. Then they got this, guys. This was the clearance deals that they got. This was the return, I guess. $99 is an edger, 12 amp edger. It is $50 from $99, so it's slashed half. It says it was a display, so I don't know what that means. They returned it or it was display. Got $200 for this mower. Was $269. It says used, delivery, and available. I think what they did is somebody just returned it, just cut their lawn for a little bit and realized that they didn't want it. So basically brand new. If you guys see there, it's clean. Does have some grass on it. And then you got this chainsaw. It's 2-cycle 42cc chainsaw. And we're gonna get the price here. If I can, 125, guys, down from 169. Guys, that's it for today. Just want to show you guys what's going on with these stores. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.